Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google form. To get started, go ahead and open your Google Chrome. Click on this button in between your icon and the experiment icon. Scroll down and in here, go ahead and click on Forms. So under this tab, you'll be able to find the different Google services that you can actually use if you have a Google account. So that will redirect you into the Forms website. So in here, as you can see, you can create a blank form or you can actually select from the template gallery the form that you want to use for your Google form. So I want to simply use a template from the template gallery. So for example, I want to create a form for an event registration. I can simply click on this template from the template gallery and that will load into this section. So in here, you can simply customize each part of this template. So as you can see, you can take this tour and you'll be able to actually know further about this form. So since I want to explain it to you this video, I'll simply click on this no thanks button so that I can proceed on explaining sections of this form that you can actually modify yourself. So in the top section, you'll be able to change the title of the form. You can also add your own description in this area. And here you'll be able to actually add more questions to your form depending on your preference or change the questions. Publish your form once you have finalized it and set your responders into your preferred audience. So as you can see, you can actually share the link of this form by clicking on that publish button, and under that you'll be able to find this copy responder link. So you can simply send this onto the individuals whom you want to receive answers to for this form. You can find the responses into the responses section, and that's basically how you can create a Google form. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. We'll see you in the next video.